This is John. For John's science fair, he is conducting an experiment on plants and how the amount of water they are watered each week affects their growth. Before John does anything yet, he must first take care of a few things. He begins by finding his controlled variables. A controlled variable is a variable in the experiment that you must keep the same in order to get reliable data. The things John needs to control in his experiment are the environment, the type of plant, the soil, the times each plant is watered each week, and the age of the plants. After John finds his controlled variables, he needs to find his independent variable. An independent variable is something that you change. There can only be one independent variable. Remember, there can only be one independent variable. John's independent variable is the amount of water given to each plant every week. Finally, John can start his experiment after these two steps. He puts all three of the same plants outside at the same time. This ensures that no plants get the disadvantage of being in the dark, while another plant gets the advantage of being in the sunlight. He gives the first plant 1 cup of water. He gives the second plant 2 cups of water, and he gives the third plant no cups of water at all. Now John waits for a month. After a month, John visits his plants and begins to collect some data. He sees that plant 1 has grown into a tall flower. Plant 2 had little to no change at all. Plant 3, on the other hand, was practically half dead. John realizes that when watering the plant, you should water it once every week with 1 cup of water.